The Formax Lean supplement is a powerful gain of natural testosterone, which stimulates testosterone production in the male body to control vital functions and increase sexual stamina. This is the procedure that increases the proper functioning of the pituitary glands in the male body and promotes the healthy production of the testosterone level. It helps to increase your sexual performance in bed and allows you to satisfy your lover's lover with intense orgasms and hard erection. Powerful ingredients for Formax Lean. Some of the ingredients users are told to expect from this pill include horny goat weed, Tongkat Ali, nettle extract, saw palmetto extract and wild yam extract. Benefits of Formax Lean sexual health booster. Renewed sex drive and libido. Formax Lean replenishes testosterone levels and energy stores to reignite the passion and desire, elevating your sex drive and libido. Bigger and firmer erections. Formax Lean boosts blood flow to the penis, helping you achieve harder, stronger, and longer erections, on command. Longer staying power. Formax Lean boosts the penis's blood-holding capacity, delaying ejaculations to help you last long during sexual encounters. Increased penis size. Regular use of Formax Lean may lead to successive delivery of blood to the penis, which may help increase penis size. Formax Lean pros. Presence of ancient herbs. Plant-based ingredients. Formax Lean cons. Not sold in stores and pharmacies. Potential side effects. Not suitable for teenagers. Meant for male users only. Conclusion. Formax Lean is a natural formula for male enhancement. It is only made with natural ingredients that have been clinically tested. The accessory can be used by men of all ages. Solve all sexual problems naturally. The supplement improves the sexual performance of a man. In addition, it promotes sex drive, masculinity, indecision, and libido. The supplement gives you energy and improves endurance. When you consume the correct dose of Formax Lean, you can satisfy your partner again and again in your bedroom. So if you want to order Formax Lean, check the link in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you like this video, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.